What's up, millennials? You might have heard multiple people talk about Bitcoin, but you might not know exactly how to buy it. Well, I'm going to show you how easy it actually is. I'm going to explain to you how you can buy crypto on Coinbase Pro and how you can transfer it from Coinbase Pro to an offline storage like Ledger or to a platform like BlockFi where you can earn interest on your crypto. First, if you're going to use Coinbase, then I would recommend you to go from the normal Coinbase, which is on coinbase.com, to the Coinbase Pro version. Because yes, the normal Coinbase version is very easy, very user-friendly. You can just add money, click buy, enter the amount of crypto you would like to buy, and that's about it. Coinbase Pro has a little bit more of a learning curve. It looks a little bit more overwhelming, I suppose, but I'm going to show you that it's actually very easy to use. If you want to use Coinbase Pro, then you can actually go to the link in the description. If you're going to use that referral link, then we both get $10 if you buy or sell your first $100 in crypto. Let's first of all talk about how you can add money to your Coinbase Pro account, and you can do so in multiple ways. Now, this might depend on your country. I'm currently based in the Netherlands, so it's going to look at what options I have as a Dutch person. When you want to deposit, you can do so in two ways. You can first of all click on this deposit button over here, or you can go to your portfolios and then click on the deposit button over here. Then you simply select your currency, the currency you would like to add to your account. In my case, that's going to be euro. And then you're going to have multiple options. And again, this is probably going to depend on the country where you are located. Personally, I live in the Netherlands, so I have the options of a SEPA transfer, and I can also transfer my funds from the normal Coinbase account to a Coinbase Pro version. So let's first of all click on the Coinbase account. If you already have money there, you can simply click that option, choose the amount of money you would like to transfer from normal Coinbase to Coinbase Pro, and then you're going to be able to deposit money that way. You can also use the SEPA transfer option, which is simply a bank transfer from your bank account to Coinbase Pro. That usually takes about 1 to 3 business days in general. Now, if you click on that option and you click on continue, you're going to see all of this information, which is the information that you need to plug into your bank transfer. You simply need to log into your own bank account, then you can use this information to make that bank transfer, and then it's going to take about 1 to 3 business days. Once you've added money to your Coinbase Pro account, you can go back to the main page of Coinbase Pro, and then it's going to be looking a little bit overwhelming, I suppose, but we're going to focus only on this panel on the left-hand side, where it says wallet, balance, etc. So here there are two orders basically that you can choose from. First of all, if you want to buy Bitcoin, of course, you need to click buy over here, and then you basically have a limit order and a market order. So first of all, we're going to talk about that market order because it's the easiest option for sure. With a market order, you can buy Bitcoin at the current price. And the current price is going to be right here in the middle of the screen, but also on the left-hand side over here. If you want to buy Bitcoin with a market order, the only thing you need to do is enter the amount of money you would like to spend on Bitcoin. So in my case, and this is just going to be an example, it's going to be 10 euros. And then you can check out what kind of fees you're going to have to pay. So in this case, 5 cents, and also how much money you're actually going to get for that price. Then the only thing you need to do is click on the button place by order, and then the Bitcoin is going to be bought. That's how easy it is. The other order is a so-called limit order. And instead of a market order, which is going to be used when you want to buy Bitcoin at the current price, with a limit order, you can choose what kind of price you would like to pay for that Bitcoin. First of all, the two things you would need to enter is the amount of Bitcoin you would like to buy. So for example, you can buy 0.01 Bitcoin for if you want to do so. And you can also choose the limit price. If you, for example, think that the price of Bitcoin is going to go lower in the future from maybe 48,000 right now, maybe it's going to go to 46,000 if you think so, then you can type that amount of money in this price of the limit price. And if you do so, you can check the amount of fees you're going to have to pay, the total amount of money you would need to buy Bitcoin for, and then you can simply click place buy order. And then when the price of Bitcoin is going to go to that 46,000, then the order is going to be executed, and then you would have bought your Bitcoin. Once you've bought your Bitcoin, you can have multiple options. You can either keep it on Coinbase Pro, for example, especially if you maybe just have a small amount of Bitcoin you would like to store. But you can also go to a website called Ledger to buy a ledger, which is like a USB stick more or less. It is used to put crypto on this USB stick, and then you can keep it in so-called offline storage. So it's not going to be online like on Coinbase Pro, but it's going to be offline instead. But how do you transfer your crypto from Coinbase Pro to a ledger? Well, first of all, you simply go to portfolios over here. Then you can choose the currency you would like to transfer from the Coinbase Pro account to the ledger you would like to have. So in this case, we're going to click on Bitcoin. Then we can click on withdraw over here. Then we can click on Bitcoin, a crypto address. Here you would need to fill in the Bitcoin address you would have gotten when you set up your Ledger account, and then you also simply type in the amount of Bitcoin you would like to transfer from Coinbase Pro to that offline storage. You can then check the network fee, and when everything is done, you click on withdrawal. You could also decide to transfer your crypto from Coinbase Pro to BlockFi, which is a platform where you can earn interest on your Bitcoin. Right now it is 6% annually. And if you make an account on BlockFi using the referral link that's going to be in the description, then you can actually get an additional bonus for depositing money on BlockFi. You can see the payout structure over here on the screen. If you do use the referral link, then I am also going to get 0.5% of the total amount you deposit for the first 30 days after creating your account. And to transfer your crypto from Coinbase Pro to BlockFi, it's entirely the same as the Ledger process. You click on withdrawal, you click on Bitcoin, you click on crypto address, you enter the Bitcoin address that you would have gotten when you set up your account at BlockFi, you enter the amount of Bitcoin, you check the network fee, and again you click on withdrawal. So that's how you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Pro and how you transfer your crypto from Coinbase Pro to a platform like Ledger or BlockFi. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. And with that being said, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Bye bye!